Feeling anxious about AI replacing jobs is normal. You're not alone. But AI can also be a practical helper that finds overlooked chances others miss. This video shows a down-to-earth way to use AI to spot blue ocean opportunities you can act on. A blue ocean is an uncontested value opportunity, not another copy of what everyone already sells. It gives customers a meaningfully better outcome while keeping costs under control. Contrast that with a red ocean, where competitors all fight over the same features and price. You rarely need a brand new product. Start by looking at a real pain people want solved. Opportunities often come from a new buyer, a bundle, a channel, or a reframed message. Even commodity categories can hide blue oceans if you shift who or how you sell to them. AI makes it affordable for a single person to scan huge amounts of public signals. Think search data, transcripts, forums, and marketplace listings feeding into an AI layer. AI is a signal compression layer. It surfaces patterns, but human judgment still decides what to act on. That combination lets one person triage hundreds of weak signals and focus on the best 5. A reliable workflow uses 5 layers: demand sensing, language mining, competition mapping, supply validation, and decision scoring. Demand sensing spots demand direction, language mining extracts pain point phrasing, and competition mapping inspects listings. Supply validation checks suppliers, costs and IP, and decision scoring ranks ideas against a repeatable rubric. Together, these layers produce a daily, evidence-backed list you can act on. Run the system every day. Trigger a collection of search, transcripts, forums, and marketplace snapshots. Normalize the text and product records. Then, extract keywords and cluster topics. Detect trends or bursts. Run competition and fee analysis. Then produce a ranked top opportunities report. A human reviews the top 5 and decides the next action. Test, ignore, or research deeper. You can build a low-budget engine as a non-technical user with Make or Zapier plus Apify and OpenAI. Developers can use N8N or Python with Firecrawl, SerpAPI, BurTopic, and Keybert for more control. OpenAI structured outputs help enforce a fixed JSON schema so daily rankings are consistent. Real entry costs are modest. Think single to low double-digit monthly ranges for small pipelines. The strongest opportunities show repeated pain language and sustained rising search demand. Check review and competition patterns, and confirm supplier availability and realistic margin calculations. Also run a quick IP screen. Patent or trademark congestion can be a fatal fail. Prioritize signals that repeat across sources rather than one-off spikes. Case studies show the win is often reframing the offer, not inventing a new product. Pilates grip socks look crowded as more socks, but become interesting as a required studio accessory or identity product. Look for audience, message, or channel shifts that let you own a niche. Some high-value sources are legally or operationally constrained. Follow platform rules and API guidance. Prefer official APIs, scrape public pages conservatively, and don't hoard personal data. Respect robots.txt norms as community expectations and run manual legal review for high-risk niches. These steps keep your research practical and reduce downstream legal or ethical surprises. Start small. Pick one niche or problem area you can watch every day. Track signals over 7 to 30 days, score ideas consistently, and avoid one-off spikes. Validate with small tests, landing page, small paid trial, or supplier sample before investing heavily. Repeat the loop daily and focus human attention on the top-ranked ideas. In an AI-shaped economy, advantage goes to people who spot underserved demand and use AI as a research partner. Remember, blue ocean equals underserved demand plus distinctive value curve plus feasible economics. Next step. Pick one niche, set a daily watch, score consistently, and run a small validation this week.